In this video, I will show you how to fix the PlayStation app if it is not working. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down until you find General. Tap on it. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of all apps installed on your device. Scroll down until you locate the PS app. Once found, tap on it. Tap on Offload app. This process will remove the app but save any important data linked to it. After offloading is complete, you'll see an option to reinstall app. Tap this button now. This action will download a fresh version of the PlayStation app onto your device. Once it's reinstalled, open it up and check if your issues have been resolved. If reinstalling didn't solve your problem, there might be another culprit. PlayStation servers could be down. To verify this situation, open any web browser available on your device. Type in, "Is PlayStation app down?" Look for a link from downdetector.com. This site provides real-time status updates about service outages across various platforms including PlayStation Network. Once you're on Downdetector's website, scroll down to see if there are reported problems with the PlayStation Network. If there's a significant spike in issues reported by users around your area or globally, then unfortunately there's nothing more that can be done except wait until Sony resolves these server issues. Keep checking back for updates. In case both methods haven't worked out yet, here are some additional troubleshooting steps you can try. First, try restarting your device. A simple reboot can often clear up temporary glitches that may be affecting app performance. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and that your connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with the PlayStation app. It's also a good idea to update your iOS if you haven't done so recently. Sometimes, compatibility problems arise from running outdated software versions. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out directly to PlayStation support. They can provide tailored assistance for your specific issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.